Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Weathermen included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, hill descent control, wireless charging, heads-up display, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. You're going to have this black interior, the paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with your seat memory. You have the High Country badging and the wood and chrome accents. We're going to these chrome running boards here. These power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats. High Country badging, super nice. And left side will be your vents with your heads-up display control. Below that will be your drive mode selector and lighting. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. With the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. And for the odometer, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So it's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front rear 360-degree camera with the trailer hitch, and as well as the bed view cam. With built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as access to Google News and podcasts. Right below will be your lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop, as well as your hill descent control. Below that will be your integrated brake controller, right next to your dual zone climate controls with 2 USB ports at the side. In the center console, you get the new shifter, as well as a wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port there. And passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, High Country badging, wood and chrome all the way across, speakers and vents up top, regular and digital rear view. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. So you're getting these 20-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Trail Runner all-terrain tires. You're getting the High Country badging, the chrome mirror caps, and keyless entry door handles. Coming to the back, you know, the paint match corner step bumper, dual exhaust, trailer hitch, 5th wheel just under, the Rancho shocks. You got the High Country badging here. 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port, and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, more paneling storage next to the speaker, power window with a wood and chrome accent. Off the back, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear heated seating and vents, as well as USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats and storage under, with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. Comes equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, heads-up display, bed liner, all-terrain tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.